So in this video, you'll learn how to change the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So changing the default keyboard is fairly simple. Start by ensuring that you have at least one other third-party keyboard installed onto your phone. So for me, that's the Gboard. But if you have the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard or something completely different, just ensure that you've gone to the Play Store and installed that keyboard. Once you've done that, you then want to go to the Settings app. And in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option General Management. Tap on Keyboard List and Default, and then select Default Keyboard. So for me, it's set to Gboard, but if I want to switch to the Microsoft SwiftKey or to the Samsung keyboard, I just select it like that, and that will be my new default keyboard. So you'll notice that when you bring up the keyboard, it's changed to suit the one that you've just chosen. So simply just select the one you prefer, and the changes will be applied. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.